Factory rescue!
Oh no! Fire! Run away in the direction opposite to the fire! Place a handkerchief or piece of clothing over the mouth and nose. Smoke rises upwards. Bend over or crouch as you move forward to avoid choking on the smoke. Never take the elevator in the event of a fire. The fire has not spread to the ground level. Head down quickly using the stairs. Great! You are here!
Mayor, what is the situation now at that building?
The warehouse over there is on fire, and I have just made it out. There are many important goods inside the warehouse, and we have to move them quickly.
Take a deep breath, Mayor. Hank, let us first put out the fire, and then ship the goods. No problem. Drag the firefighting lance to put out the fire. Put the fire out as quickly as possible. Put the fire out as quickly as possible. Awesome! The fire has been put out. Let us go inside the warehouse and start shifting the goods. Oh no! The door is about to collapse! We will have to reinforce it! There's not enough support for the frame! Add more support inside the gaps! Also have to nail the planks to the four corners of the frame. Great job! Let us now go inside and start shifting the goods. Food and water are now in short supply inside the disaster area. Locate these items and then place them in the respective groups. This is not the right item. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes.
Thank you very much, rescue team. You have helped to save so much goods for us in such a dangerous situation. This is a bravery badge for you.
Preparations. Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Now, operate the drone. These are pictures taken by the drone. They will form a complete map when placed together like a jigsaw puzzle. The map is ready! Awesome! Formed a map. It looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map.
Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there.
Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Rope. This is not the right item. Holy block. Loudspeaker.
I want to bring these rescue tools with me.
Rescue boots. Cutting pliers. Jack.
Help me locate these rescue tools.
Medical kit. Shovel.
This is not what I want.
Protective mask. These are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Optical detector. Oxygen tank. Tripod. Good job! Let us set out for the disaster area right now! We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go! Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground!